Hi there. In today's video lesson, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add Nodemon so that each time we make a change, the app will reload automatically, and after that, we'll connect our app to the MongoDB database in the cloud. So without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, let's start. Since we already installed the Nodemon package, so you see the Nodemon here. Okay, so here I'm gonna call in the script, the Nodemon. Instead of using the node, I'm gonna using Nodemon. Okay, and after that, and I'm gonna start my server. Okay, okay, our app is running. Okay, so look, each time, for example, if I type const, I mean, let's say um, our app equal 1, for example, okay, you see the server is restarted automatically. Okay, that was an example. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, and now let's connect our app to MongoDB database. First of all, you need to create an account. So I hope you already did that. And after that, I'm going to show you how to create the database and call it, in our app. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so and now in the MongoDB website, if you don't have an account yet, so you can try it for free, create an account for free. You will pay anything, and if you don't have an account, so sign in. Okay, so and I have my account. Okay, and okay, and now I am inside my MongoDB account. Okay, so what we're gonna do, for example, if you see on the left side, if you check, click on the view all projects, so you would see, I have some other projects. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a project, name, coding academy. Okay, like so. Next, and okay, create project. And next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create the cluster. Okay, and okay, so the option. So you see, I'm gonna choose the free option. Okay, create. Okay, and by default, so I've always used, AWS. Okay, so I'm gonna leave all of these by default. Okay, and here create cluster. I'm gonna name it cluster name. MERN project. Could name it Alexa. Okay, and you see, free and create cluster. So it's gonna take. So you see, no clusters taken between 1 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna get back once it's done, right? Okay, so now we get back. So our cluster is done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect, our database. For now, let's create a username, and username and password. Mern123, okay. And I'm gonna copy this. The password will be the same, Mern123. And now create database user. Okay, so after creating the database user, we need, to choose. Wait, there's something I didn't do. I had to allow an IP address. For now, for example, here, if you add your current IP address, so it will retrieve automatically your current IP address, okay? Or you can add another IP address. So since this is for, tutorial, purpose, so I'm gonna allow access anywhere, okay? And now, so this database, can be accessed anywhere, okay? And now choose a connection method. So you see, you can connect the MongoDB with the shell. So we can connect MongoDB using Compass. I'm gonna use this option. I'm gonna copy this, okay? And now close. Okay. So guys, for um, the database part, so we are done. So you see here, browse collections. So now when we push, to our database, it will retrieve, all our collection here. So you will see, and as we go in, has a progress in this course. So um, how it gonna be. Okay, so for now we finish with this part. Okay, and now we're gonna get back to our code editor, to connect our database. Okay, now we get back to our code editor. So I'm gonna create, the database in the .env database, like so, equal, and this is the link of our MongoDB. Okay, we have a couple, a few things to do. So you see our username is Mern123 and our password. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, and replace by my, current password. Okay, and now you remember, the name. We should replace my first database to our current database. The name was, if you remember, and Mern project, like so. We write this like so, Mern project. Okay, so and now let's save. And now in our app, what we're gonna do, we're gonna first of all, let's import mongoose. Okay, mongoose equal require, mongoose, like so. And after that, let's add a comment. We're gonna connect our database. Oops, like so. Okay, so and for now, what we're gonna do, mongoose. Okay, as we require mongoose, we're gonna write mongoose. Okay, that connect. Okay, and this connect. Remember, we put our database here. So to access this, I've showed you, in the last video lesson. Okay, we'll accept this by process.env. Okay, that database. Okay, okay, like so. And we have another parameter. Okay, so what we'll do, we will use new URL parser. Okay, to true. Okay, and after that we'll use unified topology. Okay, to true. And we have a last one, use create index. Okay, use create index. Okay, true, like so. And mongoose return, a promise. Okay, so we'll add then, like so. It accept a callback. Okay, and our function, and we'll console.log. What we're gonna do has message to know what's going on. DB connected, like so. And we have to catch errors. Okay, that catch. Okay. Error. Okay, console console.log error. Okay, like so. And I think that's it. So let's save. So our server is reloading automatically. Okay, as you can see, our DB is connected to our app is connected to the MongoDB database in the cloud. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video lesson. I don't want to make it too long. Okay, so in the next video, we're gonna continue building our backend API. So if you like this video, so please leave a thumbs up. So if you have any question about that, so I mean, use the comment section below. So and don't forget to invite your friend to this channel so that we can grow together. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.